filing the document. Sorry, this is not on. You can't just make statements without, I mean, we won't even need to ask these questions if the document was before us. I mean, बहस कर रहे हैं हम लोग facts पे.
Your lordship had asked the election.
It's not our job to ask, it's your job to tell us.
कमीशन को नहीं कहते तो मैं फाइल
आप फाइल ही नहीं कर रहे हैं कोई चीज. हम आपसे सवाल ही नहीं पूछते, डॉक्यूमेंट पढ़ लेते, खत्म हो जाती बात.
पूछ लेते हैं. मेरे ख्याल में yesterday parties list of candidates for reserved seats.
I was saying that your instructions are, because there are two appellants. One is the gentleman on whose behalf Mr. Faisal Siddiqui has just made a statement.
Yes, sir.
You are saying that he did not file a nomination paper showing his affiliation as SIC?
My lord, I have heard something different this morning.
Your instruction?
No, I have heard something different, that he did file from SIC, but what I gathered from the results notified was that he was notified as a result, as a candidate, independent candidate with the election symbol tower, whereas SIC was issued the election symbol horse. So he returned on the election symbol
Why
of
was
tower.
he denied if he filed the form declaring that he is a candidate for SIC? Why was he denied the election symbol horse?
Sir, in those days he was not allowed to submit the letter showing his affiliation with SIC, and then he was forcefully given the symbol.
When he filed the nomination form, he is the candidate who is filing a form on behalf of a political party is supposed to file an affiliation of that political party, or a certificate or whatever that thing is.
That is just before the election symbol is granted.
In the
nomination paper की बात
in the nomination papers, he is supposed to do that. Did he do that or not?
Mr. Faisal Siddiqui, why are you not filing the document? Sorry, this is not on. You can't just make statements without, I mean, we won't even need to ask these questions if the document was before us. I mean, बहस कर रहे हैं हम लोग facts पे.
Your lordship had asked the election.
It's not our job to ask, it's your job to tell us.
कमीशन को नहीं कहते तो मैं फाइल
आप फाइल ही नहीं कर रहे हैं कोई चीज. हम आपसे सवाल ही नहीं पूछते, डॉक्यूमेंट पढ़ लेते, खत्म हो जाती बात.
पूछ लेते हैं. मेरे ख्याल में yesterday
कमीशन से पूछ लेंगे, लेकिन you came forward to tell us that.
I can
नहीं Faisal Siddiqui साहब,
चले आगे बढ़ते हैं.
Yesterday we had asked the election commission to file these
The election commission will provide.
Let them file.
मैंने तो आपको स्टेट किया जो नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म में है, and then he was not given.
हाँ, कह रहे हैं कि उन्होंने सर्टिफिकेट नहीं फाइल किया.
सर्टिफिकेट नॉमिनेशन के साथ नहीं फाइल की.
एक सेकंड, आपसे नहीं बात कर रहे.
नॉमिनेशन के साथ
इलेक्शन कमीशन बताए ना what is the form that was filed? The form that this gentleman filed.
Is it on record?
I just brought it because it was asked for yesterday. And
What is
ठीक
that?
है, आप उसकी कॉपीज बनवा लें, फाइल करें.
in 5 minutes I
हाँ, ठीक है. चलें आगे बढ़ते हैं, आ जाएगा डॉक्यूमेंट. There's no need to argue on this point. It's a factual thing. आगे चलें. Please make copies and file it.
My lord, I was proceeding only on the basis of facts as they were in the appeal. On the general elections took place on 8th of February 2024. It is not anybody's case that any political party's list for reserved seats was filed by SIC at all before the general elections. On, my lord, the election commission